Hello students, let us continue with your exercise 11.2. It's question number 6. Find the Cartesian equation of the line which passes through from the point minus 2, comma 4, comma minus 5 and it is parallel to the line that is x plus 3 upon 3 minus y minus 4 upon 5 is equal to z plus 8 upon 6. Right students? So what you will do? First of all, we will find out the direction ratios. So the direction ratios are, that is here is the direction ratio, that is 3, 5 and 6. Right students? And the line is passing from, the line passes from the point, that is point is given you as minus 2, 4 and minus 5. Therefore, the required equation of the line is, what is that is x plus 2 upon 3 that is equal to y minus 4 upon 5 that is equal to z plus 5 upon 6 that is equal to lambda say, where what you will say, where lambda is a parameter. Right students? So this is the required equation of the line. The question number 7th is exactly same students. So solve the question number 7 yourself. In the question number 8 students, find out the vector and the Cartesian equation of the line which passes through from the origin having the coordinate 0, 0, 0 and 5, minus 2 and 3. So the position vector while it is passing from the origin, that is equal to, here this is 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap, right students? And the vector b, that is equal to 5 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap, right? Now the vector equation of a line, that is equal to r vector, that is equal to a plus lambda b vector. Mean this r that will come as equal to, because this is 0, 0 here students, it is lambda into 5 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. Is it right students? This is the first answer. Now we have to find out the Cartesian form also. So what you will say, this r vector is now x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, this is equal to lambda into 5 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. Is it right students? Now what you will say? You will say that on comparing x is equal to 5 lambda, y is equal to minus 2 lambda and z is equal to 3 lambda. Right students? So this implies that now the equation that will come as, because it passes from 0, 0, so x minus 0 by 5, this is equal to y minus 0 upon minus 2, this is equal to z minus 0 upon 3, that is equal to lambda here. So which is the required equation of line in the Cartesian form. So this is the solution of question number 8. Exactly the question number 9 is also same students. So solve the question number 9 yourself. So let us come with the question number 10 students. Find out the angle between the following pair of lines. So these are the lines that is given to you students. Let theta is the angle between the given line. The given lines are parallel to each other. Then from the vector, that is b1, vector b1, that is equal to 3 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 6 k cap, and the vector b2, that is equal to I cap plus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap. Right students? Now here I am going to tell you another another method to find out the angle, that is cos theta is equal to b1 vector dot product with b2 upon magnitude of b1 magnitude of b2, like this. So what you will do now, this is 3 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 6 k cap its dot product with the I cap plus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap upon their magnitude, means that is equal to, from the first 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 6 6 are 36, and here it is 1 2 2s are 4 plus 4. Right students, we will find out their product, dot product. Now this is 3, 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12 upon, this is 49 under root 9, so this is 12 plus 4 16, this is 19, so here it is 7 into 3, that is equal to 21. So therefore student, the theta that will come as equal to cos inverse 19 by 21, and that is the solution of your question number 10 students. I think this question is clear. There are the two parts of this question. Second part is also same students, so solve the second part yourself. Now here in the question number 11 students, in the question number 11, two equation of the line that is given in the Cartesian form, and we have to find out the angle between them. So for that students, first of all we will find out their direction ratios. So the direction ratios are, this is 2, 5 and minus 3 for the first line, and this is minus 1, 8 and 4. These are the direction ratios, and you know students, while we have to find out the cos theta angle, so we know that this is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 upon a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square, its square root, and this is a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square having square root. Now we will put the value, a1 into a2, 2 into minus 1 plus 5 into 8 plus into minus 3 into 4. Right students, this is 2 2s are 4, 5 5s are 25, 3 3s are 9, and from here this is 1, 8 8s are 64, 4 4s are 16. So now this will come as minus 2, 8 5s are 40 students, this is 4 3s are 12, and here it is 38, its root, and from there we will get this is equal to 81. Now students, from here what you will get, this will come as equal to 26 upon, while you will solve it, it will come as 9 root 38. Right students, therefore what you will say that theta is equal to cos inverse into 26 upon 9 root 38, and that will be the solution of your question number 11.